Good morning, you guys. Today I thought it would be fun to go through my quarantine morning routine. I feel like this is just gonna be more of like what I did today as opposed to an actual routine, because let's be real here, I have not been on a routine, especially with this quarantine. My whole life I feel like is a mess, and I'm sure a lot of y'all can relate. I just got up. It is 10:30 a.m. I'm gonna be taking y'all through my day, so let's get into it. I also wanted to thank Boxy for sponsoring this video. For the sake of this video, I did change my pajamas. We are wearing an all pink fantasy. I've been living in the same pair of pajamas for like a week because I had left my house. Mickey is still in bed. Say hi, Mickey.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, so I'm going to grab my glasses and I'm gonna head to the kitchen and I'm gonna make some breakfast. Hi! Y'all, my kitchen is still a freaking mess. Like literally, hello. From last night I cooked dinner and I didn't clean it up. So I'm gonna clean that up really quick. Ugh, I feel like my brain hasn't even started functioning yet. So a glass of lemon water in the mornings, it just really is good for you. It like helps your digestion and it also is really yummy. So that's like the first thing that I'm going to eat. Oh my God, she's a chef. Okay, now that I got my juicer ready. This one is for the boys with the boomy sister. Pop down AC with the coolest sister. When I got in the club, they blazing up. Got stacks on deck, I can see them up.
Hey Dale, you bail. You might cut it.
Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please.
Now I'm gonna just fill her up with some water from my fridge. Ooh, maybe we'll be bougie this morning and do sparkling water. I love how literally a full thing of this fits in here so perfectly. It's honestly iconic.
Cheers.
Oh my God. I put way too much lemon juice in that. Okay. Let's clean this kitchen. 30 minutes later, we've got one clean kitchen. Breakfast time. I'm just gonna do something quick and easy. This is literally, most people, it'd be a challenge for them to make it, but for me, it's just like a breeze, you know? Just kidding, it's literally only cereal. And y'all, you always pour the cereal first, then the milk. Don't debate me on that. You know, y'all, my house is clean, it's organized, period. Breakfast is complete. Now let's go shower and get ready for the day to go nowhere. Showering is like one of my favorite parts of my day because I just feel like it's so relaxing. I just kind of sit and reflect and just live my best life. So I recently got this NPR, the Drunk Elephant body and hair and conditioner, like the washes, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna finish my shower. I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm out of the shower and now I'm going to do my skincare routine. This quarantine has definitely given me a lot more time, so I've been just giving a little extra pamperment to myself, so let's do some skincare. Now I usually don't do skincare during the day, but because of the quarantine, girl, she ain't got anything better to do, so let's do it. So I guess the first product I'll use is this little Drunk Elephant serum, their vitamin C day serum, and then a little eye cream moment. This is the C Tango multivitamin eye cream. I'm definitely going to be doing my makeup later today, so I am gonna try to keep it very light. I've also been using this like Murad serum, the dark circle corrector, which y'all is so good. Dark circles vanish. Then a little moisturizer moment. This is the polypeptide cream from Drunk Elephant. Get into the skin texture. I forgot to shave on my face. I don't have facial hair, but I do have like fuzz. Girl, don't clock me, everyone has fuzz. So I always shave it off, especially when I'm gonna do my makeup, so it makes my makeup lay so smooth. I'm just going to reapply skincare to the affected areas. I love. The makeup's gonna look even smoother, honey. Last step, sunscreen, the most important part. If y'all don't wear SPF, can't relate. The most important thing you can do for your skin. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go do my makeup, beat my face, get gorgeous, get stunning, and yeah.
Hi, Squidward.
Squidward's rocked out in her pajamas. Look how cute she is. Okay, so I'm in my beauty room. Oh, hi, how are you? I'm so ready to get glam, But I wanted to say thank you to Mrs. Boxy Charm for sponsoring this video. Y'all know this is the If you don't know what Boxy Charm is, hi, how are you? I'll tell you about it. Boxy Charm is a subscription where you get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. They also have a premium version where you get 67 full-size products for $35 a month. And if you don't know about Boxy Charm, it's a really, really freaking good-ass deal. All the products inside the box are literally so freaking good. 9 times out of 10, I really, really do love and enjoy the products and use them all the time. And so I love Boxy Charm. I'm such a fan of them. I've used them for literally over 3 years now. I'm gonna be getting ready with some of the products in the box today. And if you guys wanna check out Boxy Charm, I will leave a link in the description for you guys to check them out. Like I said, again, $25 for 5 full-size products every single month, which is such a good deal, especially if you want to expand your makeup collection or get more makeup and you don't wanna spend all the money. Girl, Boxy Charm is that girl for you. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside this month. Ta-da! Y'all, so many good products. First of all, we got the Porefessional primer, which I really, really, really like. I've actually been obsessed with the hydrating one, but this one is a classic and is really good. And this literally is already like, I think this primer is like 30 some dollars. So this primer alone paid for the box, which is crazy. We got an iconic London little liquid highlighter. We have Illuminati eyeliners. These have definitely been in the box before. Oh my god, these are so freaking cute. I'm gagging. Look at this. Little rainbow brush set moment. That is so freaking cute. All my brushes that I have are literally from Boxy Charm. Because literally I always get brushes, which I'm not complaining, sis, because I feel like I'm always in need of brushes. And then we also have the Zooeva. Oh yes, it's a nice little palette. So cute. You know, I'm a neutral queen. I love neutrals. So yeah, that's everything in the Boxy Charm. Again, all of that I got for $25. Don't ask me how they do it because I honestly don't know. But yeah, if you want to check out Boxy Charm, Miss Boxy Charm, she'll be in the description. And let's get into the fantasy. Let's beat our face. I'm actually thinking I'm gonna use this little iconic London to prime today because I love being luminescent. We're just gonna moisturize a little bit. I feel like during this quarantine, the one thing that's literally kept me sane if I start getting really bad anxiety or feeling claustrophobic or literally just stressed out, doing my makeup, it just kind of calms me down and like changes my mood. So very thankful for makeup right now at this time. All right, Miss Porefessional, let's get into the fantasy. Now Porefessional is a great primer. I love it a lot, but let me tell you the tea. You don't want to put it on your nose because I noticed the makeup on my nose kind of slides off a little bit when I do have it on my nose, but everywhere else is really good. And I actually really like it because I don't really have pores on my nose, so it really works for me. My face just feels so smooth. I really like liquid highlighters, but I only like using them underneath my makeup to make my face look really like dewy and glowy. I love, and I'm here for using liquid highlighters as a primer. Literally, it'll change your life. Your makeup will look so dewy and stunning and you'll be glowing. Wow, look at that. My skin looks blurred. I look like a doll. Y'all, there's something about doing your makeup in the morning that's just like everything. The lighting is so good. I'm gonna use this little setting spray. I actually got this in one of my Boxy Charm boxes a few months ago. She's glowing. Mickey, can you bring me my phone down? I think I left it on the couch. This thing, I'm a color correct. My dark circles I feel like aren't that bad, like when it's just like no makeup, but for some reason they always peek through on my makeup, so I always color correct. I'm gonna use this Ciate paletter, which again, I also got in a Boxy Charm box, and I really, really like this powder. It like just blurs everything. Stunning. Ugh. I literally physically have been so mentally trained to open palettes with acrylic nails on, but since we're in quarantine, this is what I'm working with. Disgusting. So I used to like functioning with my nails, and it's like I can't function without them. I also just recently tinted my brows, and I forgot how life-changing that is for me. I have really full brows. I don't have really full brows, but I have like good brows, I would say myself. Wow. I snapped with these brows. Miss Precisely girl, I swear she's the best out here. She's a real one. These brows are laid. Let's step into this palette. I'm excited for a little warm smoky eye moment. Okay, so the makeup is almost complete, y'all. Get into the gig. Last little step is I'm just going to add some lipstick. And we are done. Okay, and here is the final look. Just a little soft glam moment. Anyway, I'm gonna go wash off my makeup and go head to bed. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me during this quarantine morning routine. I hope y'all are quarantined and safe and happy. I know we're all bored, but this will be over soon and I will get back to pussy stunting, honey. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much and I'll see you in the next one.